Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's video is for all the sweet lovers out there as I'm making donuts. First of all, I'm taking 2 eggs, adding them into a bowl and whisking. Now I'm adding 1 cup warm milk, 2 teaspoons yeast, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now I'm whisking and adding 1/4 cup powdered sugar and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons melted butter. Now while whisking I'm adding 3 cups plain flour, adding 1 cup at a time. Now I'm spreading some plain flour on my prep table and kneading the dough well. I'm adding the dough back into the same bowl and covering it with cling film and leaving it to rest for around an hour. As the dough is set now, I'm spreading some plain flour on my prep table and kneading the dough again, making it into a round ball. Now I'm flattening the dough using a rolling pin, making sure to flatten it around 1 cm thick. As I haven't got a donut cutter, I'm just using some lids that I found in my kitchen. I'm using one big lid to cut the donut and one small one to cut the center. Now I'm spreading some plain flour on a tray and placing all the donuts. Now with the remaining dough, I'm flattening and cutting out some more donuts. As all the donuts are cut, I'm leaving them to rest for around 15 minutes. Now I'm frying the donuts on low to medium heat so that the donuts cook through. First I'm going to let the one side turn gold and then turn over. As the donuts have turned nice and cold, I'm taking them out. As all the donuts are ready now, I'm making some sugar glaze. For that I'm taking 2 cups powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup milk and whiskey. Now I've added the sugar glaze in 3 different bowls and adding colors. I'm only using 2 colors, red and orange, as I only had these 2 in my kitchen. Finally, I'm just decorating all my donuts. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.